How to change your address book on your account on blizzardbattle.net on PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to blizzard.com. This is the home page. Click here and log into your account, then go here to account settings, and after you click on account settings it will take you to this page. Scroll down, click on account details, and then scroll down again until you find the address book, and you will be able to change it from here by clicking on update. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.